Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. Today's recipe is dal or red lentils curry. It is very easy and simple dish. I'll show you step by step how I am cooking dal. So let's do it. Our ingredients are 1.5 teaspoon whole cumin, 1.5 teaspoon brown mustard, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, pinch of ASAFOETIDA, 2 onions chopped in small cubes, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 3 tomatoes chopped, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, later for garnishing, 4 green chili, but I will add only 2, salt to taste, handful coriander leaves, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup red split lentils, and also water, but it depends on the texture which we would like to achieve. Wash few times your dal, then add water. You need to add 1.5 liter. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and bring to the boil. When water will start boiling, add 1.5 teaspoon turmeric and keep cooking for about 20 minutes. I am adding about 3 tablespoons of ghee. Before ghee is super hot, I am adding all of the whole seeds and cinnamon. And when you will hear the sound of cracking, add pinch of ASAFOETIDA, add onion, and when it will start turning brown, add ginger and garlic paste, then cook for about 3 minutes. Add tomatoes, and again I'm using my favorite tool and I will start mashing tomatoes. Add chilies. After few minutes, I removed 2 of them because I didn't want to keep my dal too spicy. When oil will start separating from the tomato paste, That means that your masala is ready and you can add spices. Fry them for about 30 seconds. If they will start burning, add tiny bit of water. Start adding dal. Mix everything, cover it, and cook for about 7 minutes. Then add sliced garlic and cook for about 3 minutes more under the lid. Now add garam masala, add just salt, and add bunch of coriander leaves.